At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. I want everybody to big up themselves in the Sunday morning, yeah. Anyway, my people, me are bringing us straight down memory lane. Taking this.
The report of the four people. The President of the Senate, the Speaker of the House, the Deputy Speaker of the House, and the Clerk of the House. Four people in the report got them. And then the here nationwide that tell me say the report is about the Prime Minister's statutory declaration. How can it be that the Integrity Commission sent the report to the House of Parliament and the members of the House don't know what in there, but nationwide know? We now run the country through nationwide. Table the report in the Parliament so that we can read what is in the report.
My wisdom warriors, don't hear that? Hey, Dayton Campbell slam up nationwide. Hear more.
We now run the country through nationwide. Parliament of the land, we want the report in because we have people where we read well and we want to read and analyze and assess the report for ourselves.
That me say too. In a parliament, we want it. My wisdom warriors. Hey, you think Andrew Wellness administration easy? You think them easy? It is a PR stunt them a do. It is a PR stunt them a do, my wisdom warriors. But if you no fly high, if you no want fly low, you know say you no have to come table out that report. You no think you not go long it out? You not go long out this one here. Uno now go get away with this one of my wisdom warriors. Then can't get away with it. Take in more.
Then they come with that thing and say they will call back the Parliament early to table the report. What it look like them have good news.
My wisdom warriors are exactly that them a do. And then you want to see the little labor rights supporters them. I spread peer propaganda. I say how PNP nobody want report for table Tuesday. Then lie. Me say, hey, labor right on a wicked someone. On a for stop it, you know. How you mean say PNP no want report for table? It come like when I drink mad post piece or something. How comes we, the people of Jamaica, no want the report for table? Remember, you know, my wisdom warriors, who remember the former House Speaker? When the former House Speaker did in the bangarang, the same thing with Andrew Wellness in my wisdom warriors. You know, remember when they send the report, yeah, remember, you know, the former House Speaker, she was the House Speaker at the time. When Fear Bangarang did that go on, you know, who remember say the Deputy House Speaker at the time was Juliet Wellness, and she did get alert also. She did get a report also, you know. Who remember? I want to remember good. And the same thing I go on. So this look like Juliet Wellness is a part of it. Because if Juliet Wellness wasn't a part of it, my wisdom warriors, they want to send one to Hero Clark. They want to send it to the House Speaker, to the Deputy House Speaker. If Juliet Wellness wasn't involved, if Juliet Wellness wasn't involved, they wouldn't send one to Hero Clark, which is the Deputy House Speaker. They wouldn't do it, my wisdom warriors. And the same thing they do with Darimple, the former House Speaker. When she was involved in the passa, the same thing they do to Darimple. They send a report to Juliet Wellness, and at the time Juliet Wellness was the Deputy House Speaker. Remember good. Remember, cause you know me get me evidence in my wisdom warriors. You know make me draw for it, you know. You know what? Take a look at this. Integrity Commission, take a look, my wisdom warriors. Letter, indication of ruling to be tabled and read out September 11, 2023. The Honorable Marissa Dalrymple Philibert, CD, MP, Speaker of the House of Representatives, Houses of Parliament, Gardner House, 81 Duke Street, Kingston. Look again, the Most Honorable Juliet Holness, MP, Deputy Speaker of the House. And I see that. Then Senator, the Honorable Tom Tavares. Then Miss Valerie. Then time they are Miss Valerie. Noah Colleen. But then time that it was Miss Valerie. My wisdom warriors, take a look at it. 4-person. Indication of ruling to be tabled and read out. And this report was sent to normally it only used to go to the Speaker of the House, but because the Speaker of the House was involved, that's why them have to send a copy to the Deputy House Speaker, which was Juliet Holness at the time. And at the same thing them do to Juliet right now. The same thing reach her. So my wisdom warriors. My wisdom warriors, a serious thing I go on. So when you hear them I go through nationwide, that's why I come out and I say how nationwide know about declarations and Integrity Commission never say such thing in a FIDEM report when them bring it out. Who remember my wisdom warriors? If you no go and read it, if you no go and read the report what Integrity Commission released, you know we see say they never talk nothing they never say about Andrew Holness declaration. So how nationwide news know that for true? Then if you come explain to we how them know that? How them know that? Remember say the Integrity Commission, never say anything, never go in details. So how them know that? Something alright, my wisdom warriors. Anyway, I want to take a good look at this. If you read below, my wisdom warriors, look. Dear Honorable Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Honorable President and Clerk to the House, regarding indicative ruling concerning report of investigation into the statutory declaration by a Member of Parliament and Speaker of the House, Honorable Mistress Marissa Dalrymple Philibert. All right, my wisdom warriors, at this time, they used to call out name. You understand? They used to put out the name. But because Andrew Holness placed a gag order, that's why you see when the report come out, them don't call out the people them name. You understand? The people them that is under the ongoing investigation, the illicit 8, when you realize that they not call the name is because Andrew Holness came. After this happened, Andrew Holness placed a gag order. It was around November 2023. Andrew Holness placed a gag order upon the minister them. Yeah, and pan Integrity Commission. This is why you see Integrity Commission cannot call the names like what them do to Dalrymple. You understand? Remember, see, if you look and read, if you read it properly, you will see so them a call our name. Then say indicative ruling concerning report of investigation into the statutory declaration by Member of Parliament and Speaker of the House, Honorable Mistress Marissa Dalrymple Philibert. So now see that it was after all this Andrew Holness decided to place a gag order. This is why right now, when them write the report, you see they don't put nobody name. The only name they put in there are who received the report. You understand? But the persons that is within the report, they not put out their details, my wisdom warriors. And Andrew Holness caused all of this. Andrew Holness. And listen, on the labor rights, I want to listen with sense and understanding. Yeah? If Andrew Holness wasn't hiding anything, he want to place a gag order. You don't need to forget that. And that is facts. If Andrew Holness is not hiding anything, he want to place a gag order because he might hide something. He's hiding something. You understand? He's hiding something. So when you hear Dayton Campbell come out, and Dayton has said them go through nationwide news, I agree with Dayton Campbell. I agree with Dayton Campbell. We want the report to table out in the House of Parliament, and we are waiting. Juliet Holness, a time for you to resign because we said this for a long time. So your position is a conflict of interest. You need to go, darling. You need to go. You're not supposed to be no House Speaker in the first place. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, want to listen more of the attack claps. Taking this.
When I want to take the Prime Minister tonight, I am double daring the Prime Minister to call up the Parliament this year Tuesday and table the report in the Parliament so that we can examine the report. Because, oh, happy day. A few years ago, when Comrade Golden took over the leadership of the People's National Party, people were not, some persons were not sure as to how it would materialize. You have some people that went far. Some of the liberals even said that he was an asset to their party. When we were in the campaign, I made a statement to say that this is the reincarnation of Michael Mary, and I love it. But because they are going with vision, it really matter when they laugh after because they know it can happen. And today, 3.5 years later, we have a leader with a party that is fully behind him and working to go to Jamaica House as the next president of this country. Today we have a leader that has the intellectual capacity to think about the complex issues affecting the country and work out practical solutions for those problems. Today we have a leader whose integrity is unquestionable. Somebody that comes to leadership with clean hands, clean heart, loving and heart for people. Nobody on his spirit because he's making money already and now he's ready to serve the people of Jamaica. Today we have a leader who represents the PNP bastion of South St. Andrew.
My wisdom warriors, when me tell you they said the place they on fire, when me tell you they said the place they on fire last night, and not normal. Andrew Onless I play games. How you play Andrew Onless? Chess game? I don't know where you play, but Papa, you need to call Parliament Tuesday so the report can be tabled. And that we are waiting on. That is what we are waiting on. Every wall on the labor right, una go shame like dog. Una go shame. Me say, all of una we are hype up. All of una we are spread propaganda. Me know so una not like yourself. Because una can't see a prime minister behave like this and una out here a cheer for a man like that. That means that una have a wicked heart. Just like the prime minister, una stay just like him. Una no different. Seriously, but you know what me hear no for una labor right come out and say una we dead for hungry for them and una we dead for them. Eh? Box cover so una put man over una life and una family life and una pitney life. Una crazy. My wisdom warriors, I will be delivering the good news. I can't wait for the report table. Then feel so when they put out the Freemason sitting, we are gonna forget about the report. One thing so we are going to forget about the report and talk about Freemason. We're not business born of Freemason because we know what we come to realization now so that has been happening for a while. We have to deal with this first and then we get to that. So we have to deal with the report. Juliet Onless, you got to go. Andrew Onless, you definitely need to go because you are fighting a losing battle. You are fighting a losing battle. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man. Tell me how you feel about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Wanna run go over my TikTok page now. Appear things are going over there, you know. Wanna run go over my IG page now. Appear things are going over there, you know. Wanna run go over the X page now. Appear things are going over there, you know. You can't stay there. We don't know all of that. You are all heap of things when me can't show up on here, me show over TikTok. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the links below in the comment section. Click on the link and it take you over there. All you have to do is follow me and like up the video them, all right? And share them out too. Blessings upon blessings. One love.